This teacher was correcting a student's paper when she suddenly sneezed. Without hesitation, a little boy took off his jacket and draped it over her shoulders. She was very surprised. She quickly returned it, worried he might catch a cold. But the boy took the coat and draped it back over the teacher's shoulders. He said earnestly, "Teacher, don't catch a cold, I'm not cold." Touched by his sincerity, she thought to herself, "He's going to be such a gentleman when he grows up." Later, she shared the heartwarming moment online, but to her disappointment, it only got 10 likes.